So my name's Gary Pitts. I'm the Global Health, Safety and Security Lead for All Hands and Hearts. All Hands and Hearts is a US-based non-profit who respond to natural disasters utilising volunteer power and perform what we would call response works. They are works where we are clearing debris, maybe performing some low-scale demolition works, and also constructing kind of temporary structures. As time moves on and things start to stabilise, we transition into our recovery phase. Recovery phase, we're looking more at kind of permanent construction, usually of some sort of community infrastructure, be that a health centre, a school, a community centre, sometimes into housing as well. But generally that tends to be more consolidated in terms of geographic reach, and also offers a whole different sets of hazards and threats. As an organisation, we've grown a lot over the last 18 months. That has highlighted a number of different areas for improvement. And certainly the way that we manage incidents in general is one of those. Now we want to be able to make data-driven decisions. We want to be able to prevent issues from occurring. We want to be able to empower our staff to be able to give us feedback about the problems that they see and show them that we care and they're going to do something about it. We're a very distributed organisation, from continental US through the Caribbean into Asia and even Africa. Because of the nature of our work, people come to us not for a wage but to make a difference. Everyone that works with us, both volunteers and staff, are really there to help those communities, help those people that have been affected. The geographic reach of Intelex fits our need very nicely. By utilising again both the web interface and the mobile interface, we're able to give people suggestions and support at a time when they may not be thinking clearly, when they really need that support. Using paper-based versions, you're waiting a couple of days and then you get a PDF or a photo of a PDF that someone's taken, and then you can phone them up and go, hey, you're right. But obviously you have a lot more effect if you can phone them up within the first 10 minutes. One of the big advantages of using software to address incident management allows us to have an exchange of information with our workers. So opposed to looking at a software solution as a way for us to get more from them, we very much looked at it as a conversation. How can we utilise software to give them information that they'll find useful at that time? We work in situations that are post-disasters, and therefore generally communications are fragile at best, non-existent at worst. So the ability for someone to capture data at the time and be able to then rely that it will automatically sync up in the future is a huge benefit for us. By using Intelex, we're able to allow people to give us problems, for us to immediately offer solutions, and also then work through an investigation as to why that happens and show them that we will address the root causes of those things. We'll come up with action plans to address any corrective actions that need to happen.